Hi, I'm Jennie. Today I will introduce Korean kimchi, kind of kimchi, but I think this one is better to say cabbage salad, fresh cabbage salad. So you don't need too much time to just you cut the cabbage and mix with the seasoning, and then you can eat right after. So now I'll show you. So first I will cut this cabbage. You know, this one is actually really big size, but I can buy without big leaf. Only this one. We can easily buy it. So now cut half. And then look inside, there's this part. You cut it out. So maybe like this. Okay. You take it out. Okay. And then, okay. You cut. Maybe it's better to cut lengthwise like this. I think it's after cook, it's better to see. Okay, so cut. Usually my mom just tear it with a finger, but here it takes time, so I will use knife. Okay, this one, and put here. Okay, big one cut like this, and this is a small part. Wait. Okay, put all together. You know, actually kimchi is a fermented food, but this one is I told you that is a cabbage salad. So some people put some salt and then they take out the water from the cabbage. But in my case, I put just, I don't put salt here first. Just wash it and then put all seasoning together and mix it. And then you can eat. Now I'll wash this one. So running water, you use running water and wash it. And then you drain the water. Okay. Here. Okay. You drain the water and put aside some more minutes. Some minutes, and then after that you can use it. Okay. Now we make the sauce for this salad. In a bowl, you put some, first you need this chili powder. Maybe 1, 2. This one depends on how spicy one you like. So, my case, I like it, so 3 spoon. And then this is spring onion, this one, and minced garlic. Put minced garlic here and mix it. And then, you know this one, salted shrimp. So put maybe 1 tablespoon and some juice. Put together. This one is anchovy sauce. So put this anchovy sauce. This is a little bit salty. So, and also this salted shrimp also salty. So you be careful to how much is salty. So in my case I saw 2 spoons and mix it. And then if you have some Korean plum juice. You know, the Korean plum juice. In here. Two spoons. And also if you like a sweetie one, put some sugar. It's okay. Okay, mix well. Now, it's ready. And then we need some onions. So I will cut some onion. If you like some carrots, and you can put some carrot together. Okay. Cut thinly. And here, some spring onion. It's very little spring onion. So, and cut this head. Too big, so cut. So I think I'm ready to mix it. So you need this drain cabbage, and we need a big bowl. In a bowl, you put cabbage. Okay, cabbage, and first we mix this one. Put this sauce, here. And I think it's better to wear gloves because it's very spicy one. And you see, like this. Okay, when mixed well, put this onion, sliced onion, and this spring onion all together. Okay, then I forgot to put red chili, so little bit I will cut to make a color beautiful. Okay, now it's really easy, isn't it? And some people put here some sesame oil and sesame seeds. It's much better. So I will put sesame oil. And then sesame seeds. Okay. Now I will put on the plate. Where's chopstick? Okay. So actual Korean kimchi is a storage food. So we have a special refrigerator for kimchi. So we store kimchi for more than 1 year actually. And some famous kimchi house, they have more than 2 years, 3 years. So we call 묵은지. But this one, when the spring is coming, the people usually eat something fresh one. So at that time, this is a spring. Now is a springtime, so try this one. Okay. But the color is very nice and looks so yummy. This 겉절이 is good to eat with meat. Yes, with meat. Or Korean people say when the white rice and with this 겉절이, is only this one is enough. So now this is 겉절이 finish. Okay, take care. See you next time. Bye!